My name is Reiko Yamada. I'm a composer and sound artist. Today is March 31st, 2020. Here in Barcelona, we have been confined for 2.5 weeks now. My project, Beyond Absolute, is a product of collaboration among photonics researchers at ICFO, medical researchers, and thyroid cancer patients. During this final month of my residency, I was supposed to work directly with patients and doctors at the hospital clinic of Barcelona. However, the current situation with COVID-19 outbreak makes it impossible for me to work on this final part of the project. And therefore, I cannot include the documentation of it as I had hoped to do. However, I can tell you, as much as possible, what this final part of the project is all about, so that you can imagine instead. The goal of the project is to suggest patients of thyroid cancer and their doctors with communication method that is based on sound gestures to discuss their symptoms instead of using words. So here are some sound gestures that I created and recorded together with Ilona Schneider, my singer. One of the big challenges I had during this final phase of the project is to figure out how to map these sound gestures so that I can navigate the patient to the sound gestures that they feel most related to. The resulting sound gesture is going to be mapped together with the sonified data from the Luca device and then to be delivered to each patient and the doctor so that hopefully they can use that to have a different kind of communication in the doctor's office. I'm still hoping to conduct this final part of the project at the right moment. But for now, I would like to thank START Residency for providing me with this fantastic 10-month residency, and ICFO Hospital Clinic of Barcelona, Phonos Foundation, and all the friends I crossed paths during this residency for supporting me with this project.